Today guys, we're going to be going over my morning beard and hair routine, just showing you some of the ways that I achieve various looks on the beard and the hair and how you can do it in probably less than 10 minutes. So let's get into this right now. It's shower time. Next step, get out. So now we're out of the shower, the next stage is the beard oil stage. Grab your beard oil, give it a good shake. One spray should do the job. Rub it between your palms. Massage. If you feel that you want to add some more, just do it. You know your beard better than anyone else. I tend to do 1 to 2 sprays, and I'm going to actually add another spray, and I just want the beard to be a little bit heavier, a little bit more oiled up this morning. Make sure you really work in the oils around the massage, around the mouth and on this cheek line, because that's where your hair really starts to grow a lot more than the rest of the beard, and that's where you're likely to get damaged skin, beard drop and things like that. So now that the beard is all oiled up, you just want to give it a good brush through. I use a standard hair brush and also a boar bristle brush as well. So the next stage, we need to just get our trusty weapon, the hairdryer. Switching it to the cooler setting actually helps keep the beard in place a lot longer. Now I tend to work the mustache a little bit separately to the rest of the beard. I tend to use my hands to help give it some shape with the hairdryer. So at this stage, you can add an additional product in. We're going to be using Beard Balm today, and it looks something like this. So you want to grab just 1 scoop, normally just on your fingertip. You can use the back of your nail, use whatever you can really, whatever you got at your disposal to hook the balm out. So with your balm, you want to just give it a little rub between the hands, and you really just want to work in all of that goodness. Make sure it's all melted down. It melts down pretty fast, luckily, so you don't have to spend too long doing it. And you just want to warm it up so that you can feel that friction, feel that heat building between your hands, and that means that the balm's really going to get to work on the beard as soon as you apply it. So with the balm, just work it downwards. You might want to try and get a little bit inside the beard as well, just to give it a little bit more hold. But you want to keep working the beard downwards, because that's the way the hair grows. You don't want to do any more damage to the beard. Work the mustache in as well. And now I'm just going to give it a quick blast with the hairdryer just to get that balm just a little bit more workable. I might give it a brush in a couple places and just give it a bit of a style with my hands. So the beard is looking fresh now. It's got a good shape to it, it's got a good hold. I can feel that the products are in there, they're doing their thing, they're giving it a bit of hold conditioning, they're just helping the beard along. Next we need to sort out this mop of hair and bring some life to that as well. So we've got our products, a matte styling paste, we're going to apply that, but first we're going to give the hair some love with the hairdryer. So we give it a quick dry. The rest of the work will actually be done by the hair product itself. We'll be able to put it into place really quickly now. So just get a small amount on your fingertip, work it between the palms real quickly. Work it into the hair. I'm not sure what sort of style. I kind of changed between having it all the way back, not quite like this, or just a little bit messy, a little bit more ruffled, and that's sort of the style that I like a lot at the moment. So we've gone for the slicked back with a bit of texture look today, and that's really all there is to it. It's really quick. You know, work the beard, get some oil in it, get some balm in it, use the hairdryer, use a brush, work it, get it styled, move on to your hair, use the hairdryer, hot and cold settings just to, you know, get the hair workable with the hot settings, and then use the cool settings on the hairdryer to hold the beard and head hair in place. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, make sure you leave a like, and let me know what your routine's like. What do you do in the mornings? Like, do you do oil and balm and oil? Like, you know, just let us know in the comments below. And until next time, goodbye.